Bye. When I was young, I heard my old man say, despite the colors, every human is the same. Treat everybody like your own from the heart, 'cause love is the name of the game. It doesn't matter, like the rock always says, if they look different from you in any way. You know, treat everybody like your own from the heart, 'cause love is the name of the game. Why? Putting on the shoes of a slave, many people had to go through the pain. As they were taken from their homes, they whispered to the children, everything is gonna be okay. As they were taken from their homes, they whispered to the children, everything is gonna be okay. And I said, love, 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 we were created in the image of the Father. I said, love, 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 no man says he is greater than the other. We don't have to hate, so let me hear you say that love is the name of the game. Ooh, that love is the name of the game. That love is the name of the game. That love is the name of the game. Get up. As I learned about slavery in school, we came to label every traitor as the fool. How can people think that they can buy the poor, like they don't have families too? And so I pray for all the wounds to be healed. It is the reason for the hatred that we feel. Lean on the Father, creator of the world, and forever we'll be smiling still. Forgive and let the blessings come through. Forgive so that our dreams may come true. For when you love your neighbor as you love yourself, then the blessing in this song is you. When you love your neighbor as you love yourself, then the blessing in this song is you. And I said, love, 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 created in the image of the Father. I said, love, 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 no man says he is greater than the other. We don't have to hate, so let me hear you say that love is the name of the game. Ooh. Love is the name of the game. Ooh, love is the name of the game. Ooh, love is the name of the game. But guess what? Now I'm older and I've got this to say. Despite the colors, every human is the same. Treat everybody like your own from the heart, 'cause love is the name of the game. I said treat everybody like your own from the heart, 'cause love is the name of the game. And I said love, 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 we were created in the image of the Father. I said love, 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 no man says he is greater than the other. We don't have to hate, so let me hear you say love is the name of the game. That 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 love is the name of the game. Why? Because love is the name of the game. Ha 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 ha.
in Italy.